What's up mga pre? Welcome to DIY Food. So as you can see, wala ako sa bahay ko ngayon. Actually, I'm in my parents' house in Batangas. And for this episode, gagawa tayo ng bechamel sauce. But bago yan, ano nga ba yung bechamel sauce? To start, I will tell you about the 5 mother sauces. These sauces are the basis of most of the French cuisine dishes na alam nyo. So, syempre, yung una, bechamel, espagnole, hollandaise, tomate, and veloute. Hindi ako sure sa pronunciation, so Google nyo na lang. But ayan yan. So, for this episode, magfo-focus lang tayo sa bechamel kasi ito yung gagamitin natin para sa mga dishes na gagawin ko while I'm here in Batangas. So, to start, I will add a little bit of olive oil in a medium pan, also in medium heat, kasi ilalagay na natin yung ating butter. So, you will need 6 tablespoons of butter and you will need to melt it slowly. We don't want it to burn, kaya dapat mahina lang yung apoy. So, mix it well until everything is melted. And then, we will add our next ingredient, which is the flour. So, basically, what we're trying to do here is we're creating a roux. That's the base of your bechamel sauce. So, you will need 3.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it very well to the butter to the point na mawala yung parang hilaw na amoy ng harina. Then, yeah, that's done now. We will add our next ingredient, which is milk. I will only add a few milliliters at a time, mixing very well pa rin to make sure that there are no lumps from the flour. So, just mix it all together and then, syempre, para mas madali, I will switch from the wooden spatula to my whisk. It's better that way. So, add the rest of your milk and then stir it hanggang sa ma-achieve nyo yung ganitong consistency. So, that's pretty much it for the bechamel. But like I've said, bechamel is just the base. So, we're going to season our bechamel with salt and pepper. Like that, like so. So, for this one kasi, gagamitin ko siya as a base of my baked tahong recipe and as a topping of my lasagna. So, by that, I will add cheese to make it our cheese sauce. So, first, I will use white cheddar. You don't want yellow cheddar kasi you don't want it to be color yellow. Just want it to be white. Kaya nga, bechamel white sauce eh. The next, I will add mozzarella for the stretch. So, you want that for the stretch. And then, parmesan. Parmesan has the most flavor of umami. That's why you want parmesan. So, you whisk it with your whisk, like this, like so, until you achieve this kind of consistency. So, kung walang mozzarella yan, hindi mo ma-achieve yung ganyang stretchiness. That's why I added mozzarella. Mozzarella doesn't really go there for the flavor. So, yeah, pretty much, eto na siya. Para lang siyang cream na ganyan. So, hindi nyo siya ganong ma-appreciate until you use it as an ingredient for most of the dishes that are very amazing. So, yeah, I'm giving you a preview of our baked tahong. I'm gonna show this in a couple of days. And also, the very epic lasagna. So, as you can see here, it's a very, very good stretch like this. Ayan, oh. So, there you have it, your bechamel sauce. So, thank you for watching. Again, this is DIY Food. Subscribe for more videos.